Your brain is the most powerful tool you own, and by 2025, it's time to unlock its full potential. Imagine being able to remember everything you read, focus like a laser, and think faster than ever before. Sounds impossible? It's not. In this video, we're revealing 10 groundbreaking brain exercises backed by the latest science to help you achieve just that. These techniques are simple, effective, and designed to transform your cognitive performance. But before we get started, here's a question. Did you know that just 5 minutes a day can rewire your brain for better memory, focus, and mental clarity? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to supercharge your mind. And trust me, the last one will shock you. Welcome to Health Fuse, where we fuse science and health to help you live your best life. Let's begin. Exercise 1. The Neuro-Tap technique. Our first exercise is the Neuro-Tap technique, a simple yet powerful method to boost memory and focus. Here's how it works. Sit comfortably and place your hands on a flat surface. Start tapping your index finger and thumb together, then move to your middle finger, ring finger, and pinky. Repeat this sequence for 1-2 minutes. Why this works? Each fingertip has over 3,000 mechanoreceptors that send signals directly to your brain's sensory cortex. By tapping, you're firing up neurons and improving synapse connections. Do this daily, and you'll notice a significant improvement in your memory and mental clarity. Exercise 2. Cross-Hemisphere activation. Next up is Cross-Hemisphere activation, an exercise designed to balance both sides of your brain. Here's how to do it. Hold your hands in front of you, palms facing each other. Quickly switch your hands so your right hand is on top, then your left. Repeat this motion for 1-2 minutes. Why this works? Most people have a dominant hand, which means one brain hemisphere is more active. This exercise activates both hemispheres, creating new neural pathways and improving overall brain function. It's a game changer for coordination and cognitive performance. Exercise 3. The smartphone focus. Drill in 2025, even your smartphone can help you train your brain. This exercise, called the smartphone focus drill, improves attention and visual tracking. Here's how to do it. Open a focus app or use a simple animation like a bouncing ball. Track the moving object with your eyes for 1-2 minutes. Try to keep your head still and only move your eyes. Why this works? This drill strengthens your eye-brain connection, which is essential for focus and attention. It's a perfect example of how technology can be used to enhance brain health. Exercise 4. Non-dominant hand workouts. Did you know that using your non-dominant hand can boost brain activity? This exercise is all about non-dominant hand workouts. Here's how to do it. Choose a simple task like brushing your teeth, writing, or opening a door. Use your non-dominant hand to complete the task. Do this for 1-2 minutes daily. Why this works? Using your non-dominant hand activates the less active hemisphere of your brain, creating new neural connections and improving overall brain function. It's a simple yet highly effective way to challenge your brain. Exercise 5. The 5-minute Neuroplasticity Boost Hour. Fifth exercise is the 5-minute Neuroplasticity Boost, a quick routine to stimulate your brain's ability to adapt and grow. Here's how to do it. Sit comfortably and take a deep breath in through your nose. As you exhale, tap your fingers one by one, thumb to pinky. Repeat this for 5 minutes. Why this works? Deep breathing increases oxygen flow to your brain, while finger movements stimulate neural activity. Together, they create the perfect environment for brain growth. This exercise is a must for anyone looking to enhance their cognitive performance. Exercise 6. Handwriting for brain health. In the digital age, handwriting might seem outdated, but it's a powerhouse for brain health. This exercise is all about handwriting for brain health. Here's how to do it. Grab a pen and paper. Write down your thoughts, goals, or even a to-do list. Do this for 5-10 minutes daily. Why this works? Handwriting engages multiple areas of your brain, improving memory, focus, and creativity. It's a simple yet effective way to keep your mind sharp and active. Exercise 7. The breathing brain connection. Breathing isn't just for relaxation. It's a powerful brain booster. This exercise focuses on the breathing brain connection. Here's how to do it. Sit comfortably and close your eyes. Inhale deeply through your nose for 4 seconds. Hold your breath for 4 seconds, then exhale for 4 seconds. Repeat this for 1-2 minutes. Why this works? Deep breathing increases oxygen flow to your brain, improving focus, clarity, and mental performance. It's a quick and easy way to reset your mind. Exercise 8. Visual focus drills. Our 8th exercise is visual focus drills, designed to sharpen your attention and improve eye-brain coordination. Here's how to do it. Find a moving object, like a pendulum or a bouncing ball. Focus on the object without moving your head. Do this for 1-2 minutes. Why this works? Visual focus drills train your brain to maintain attention, which is essential for productivity and learning. It's a simple yet highly effective exercise for anyone looking to improve their focus. Exercise 9. The 2-minute memory. Hack need a quick memory boost? Try the 2-minute memory hack. Here's how to do it. Think of a list of items, for example, groceries or tasks. Visualize each item in a specific location, for example, your living room. Recall the items by mentally walking through the location. Why this works? Visualization creates strong mental associations, making it easier to remember information. This hack is perfect for students, professionals, or anyone looking to improve their memory. Exercise 10. The shocking brain reset. And now the moment you've been waiting for, the shocking brain reset. This exercise is unlike anything you've tried before, and it's guaranteed to leave you amazed. Here's how to do it. Sit comfortably and close your eyes. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, imagine a wave of energy flowing from the top of your head to the tips of your toes. Repeat this for 2-3 minutes, focusing on the sensation of energy flowing through your body. Why this works? This exercise taps into the power of visualization and energy flow, helping to reset your brain and improve overall mental clarity. It's a game changer for anyone feeling mentally fatigued or overwhelmed. And there you have it. 10 futuristic brain exercises to supercharge your mind in 2025. From the Neuro-Tap technique to the shocking brain reset, these exercises are designed to transform your cognitive performance. If you found this video helpful, I have a small favor to ask. Hit the like button. It helps more people discover this content. Leave a comment below. Let me know which exercise you're most excited to try or share your favorite brain-boosting tip. Subscribe to Health Fuse. We're just getting started, and I don't want you to miss out on more science-backed tips to improve your health and well-being. But wait, before you go, there's one more thing. The bonus tip I promised is coming up next, and trust me, you don't want to miss it. Stick around! Bonus tip, the ultimate brain-boosting habit. Here's the bonus tip that will take your brain health to the next level. Intermittent fasting for brain power. Studies show that fasting for 12-16 hours can trigger autophagy, a process that cleans up damaged cells and promotes brain health. Here's how to do it. Choose a fasting window, for example, 8 p.m. to 12 p.m. the next day. Stay hydrated and avoid calorie intake during the fasting period. Break your fast with brain-boosting foods like nuts, berries, and leafy greens. Why this works? Intermittent fasting reduces inflammation, improves focus, and enhances brain function. It's a simple yet powerful habit to incorporate into your routine. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Health Fuse for more tips on living your best life. See you in the next video!